Okay, this is a geometry question in the tutorial 8.2. Let's just do it. Always read this stuff up here pretty close. In the sketch AB and CD, AB and CD are parallel, okay, and AC and BD both meet at P right out here. The tangents to the circle, now this is important, hit at C and at B. So BQ is a tangent and CQ is a tangent. And that's going to be important. Okay, let's give this a try. The first question is, prove that C1 over here is equal to B3 over there. You know, when I did this, I was looking at the tangent and I was thinking, tan chord theorem. Well, this angle's a tangent between a tangent and a chord here, C2 and B2, and anyways. And then I saw, oh man, it's so easy. C5 and B3. C5 is an angle between the tangent and the chord, and B3 is the angle in the alternate segment at the top of the triangle here. That's tan chord theorem. So C5 equals B3. And then if B3 equals C5, C5 and C1, there's two straight lines across each other here, and that's vertically opposite angles. Okay, well that means that C1 must equal B3 because they both equal C5. And I should have written that down here. When you write this down, I'm missing. Therefore, you say C1 equals B3. Okay, that's that one. The next one. Prove that B1 equals B3. B1 equals B3. Well, we've got that C3 equals B3 because it's alternate angles. But hey, C3 here is equal to B1 up here because that's a tangent. So it's the tan chord theorem. Well, if C3 equals B1 and C3 equals B3, therefore B1 must be equal to B3 because they both equal C3. And there's that one. Now the last question, and it's not too hard, is prove that BC down here, that's C, BCPQ, see how it makes a quadrilateral? Prove that that quadrilateral must be a cyclic quadrilateral. That means you could put a circle through all 4 points. And why is that? Well, there's 3 ways you can do it. Opposite angles, exterior angle. But look, C1 and B1, they're angles on the same segment. So angles on the same segment, C1 and B1 being equal, that's why BCPQ is a cyclic quad. And that's just about it. There's question 8 done.